Hey y'all, welcome to the community garden. I am part of a community garden because I live in a concrete jungle and for the community. Watch my process and my garden flourish over these next couple of weeks. These are my girls. This is the humble beginning. This is me finally putting the seedlings in the ground. We have some jalapeno I just picked up. To the left, we have the tomatoes and the thyme and the rosemary and the cucumbers all the way to the right. Here it is. Isn't it gorgeous? And just a week later, we have some weeds going on. What you see around the dirt, around the plants, are called purslane, and they're edible succulents. Unfortunately, I lost my cucumber. It happens. Another about a week or two gone by, and more purslanes have crowded the dirt. I did end up weeding those because they were becoming way intrusive. And I ate them. And look at my baby. It's coming in. It's making me so happy. Ready? 1, 2, 3.